Hi everyone. It's just gross human me today because I'm recording this on New Year's Day and I'm still feeling a little bad from how much I had last night. Interpret that however you want, YouTube. But I'm also here in gross skin form because I have a special guest. Hello. Oh, this is Barcus B. He do Twitch things. I'll put a link for his Twitch in the description. But yeah.
Wait. Can I be on this one though? Can I be on this one?
I mean, I guess. Do you for today? I mean, the B stands for baking. Do you have like a cool catchphrase thing you could do?
Well, no, but I mean, my name is Vermont, so it doesn't really start with a B, but I have been called B.
Okay then. Today for our ingredients, we have 4 cups of flour, 2/3 of a cup of salted butter, a cup and a half of sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2/3 of a cup of shortening, and then some cookie cutters. And then over here for our frosting, we have 2 cups of powdered sugar, about 3 tablespoons of milk, and then half a teaspoon of vanilla. And then some other stuff for decorating. So, Vermont, what do we do first?
In a large mixing bowl, beat the shortening and margarine or butter with an electric mixer on medium to high speed, about 30 seconds or till softened.
Okay. Okay, what's next?
All right, you got to add about half of the flour.
Okay.
Just half, which is
It is.
1/2 in a fraction.
It is, indeed. So I did double this cookie recipe. So if this seems like a lot of flour to you, it is. Help me, Barcus. What do we do next?
Alright, I got you. Alright, so we are going to be adding sugar, eggs, milk, the baking powder, vanilla, and salt. Beat until thoroughly combined, scraping the sides of the bowl occasionally.
Oh, okay. I don't have salt because I use salted butter, so I won't be adding that. But let's throw in everything else. And mark this historic moment because it may be the only time in the show you see me crack eggs by hand. Oop.
A human utilizing bird life.
I know. I'm occasionally scraping the bowl.
Alright, so once that's incorporated, you're going to beat in or stir in the remaining flour.
There's our remaining flour. Yeah. Well, that's all our ingredients, so what's left?
Alright, we divide the dough. Divide the dough in half, cover and chill about 3 hours or until dough is easy to handle.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna throw this in my freezer for just a little bit, and then we will continue. Down on a lightly floured surface, and then roll them out.
Lightly flavored.
Boop. Threw it on the floor. That's fine. Okay. Generally, you want to go like middle out when you're rolling.
Too thick.
So I cut these out, and I'm just gonna pick the dough out, and then
Around it.
yeah, smush it back together.
Gotcha. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah.
Alright, you have fun.
No, don't leave me to die.
Okay, and now that that's done, we're gonna bake them at 375 degrees for about 8 minutes. All right, hey everyone. So unfortunately, we kind of ran out of time for Barcus visiting, but that awesome transition you just saw, he actually made that. And he's open for logo commissions right now if you want your own. Might not be able to get an animation or not, that was kind of a special order, but you can definitely get a logo and it looks awesome. So be sure to check that out if you want one. So now we're going to mix up our icing, which is just throwing everything in a bowl here and mixing it up. And then we're going to decorate our cookies. Okay, so again, I'm just going to dump everything in this bowl and mix it up. Looks like that was not quite enough milk, so I'm going to grab some more here real quick.
It almost looks like popcorn. You see that?
Yeah. Just a tiny bit more here. That's probably good. All right, now we'll throw that in a piping bag and we'll move over to decorating. All right, this kind of works out for Barcus leaving anyway because I only have 2 piping bags. So
Yeah, I mean, that's actually that's a good point.
okay, so now we'll decorate.
Well, I'm just wondering how yours have like the perfect tips, whereas mine like taper off.
You go back over it. You go back over the middle when you're done.
What do you mean?
Like instead of just going like keep going towards the end, you like you go.
Oh, you like
you're going towards the
pull
end,
back.
and then when you're done, you pull back to the middle.
Oh. Oh god, the tip came off. He squeezed too hard.
That's not going back on.
Oh.
That's not going back on.
Okay. Well,
I guess just dump the frosting on then.
or I can eat it.
Or you can-
I think my cookies are fine.
We did it.
Yeah. You're welcome.
All right. Okay, there we go. So I will leave links for all Barcus's social media in the description. But Vermont, you want to explain what you're all about real quick?
Oh, sure. Yeah, my name is Vermont. I'm the dad bod baron, no shirt wearing seagull on Twitch. I know that doesn't really apply here. I'm wearing a shirt, but YouTube.
It's only half a shirt, so it tanks up.
Yeah, okay, whatever.
Yeah.
Anyways, go check me out there if you want. I do really chaotic.
Very chaotic.
stupid stuff. And I often torment him on Twitch too.
Yeah, I'm there sometimes.
Yeah, he's there sometimes. And more times unwillingly than willingly.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, so next week, since I did miss out on so many weeks of Christmas, I'm going to do another cookie that's kind of like a Christmas cookie, but it's still really just wintry. So we're going to make some pistachio cranberry cookies. They'll be delicious. So meet me back here next week for that. Same time, same place. Until then, I hope you all have a great week. Love you all. Bye.